Today I'll explain how to mount the deck flush mount for the Canon sockets for their electric downriggers. You acquire the cable. This is the normal socket cable that come with the downriggers, and this is the part that you connect to the 12-volt power source, and the downrigger has the connecting the opposite connecting socket to this part. And I did not want loose wires hanging on my boat deck, so to avoid that you'd have to purchase this unit, and after you purchase this unit you place it in there, fix the socket in it, and then you can now bore a hole in your deck and get it to be flush mounted. This is an example of a already completed unit I made, and I'd post a video later.